This is a review for 2015 Girl of the Year Grace's baking outfit, and I have Mischa modeling it here. Mischa is a Girl of the Year 2008 Mia, and this outfit consists of a blue cupcake t-shirt, a black and pink and white polka dot apron dress, pink leggings, blue shoes, and a pink ribbon headband. And so the t-shirt is a nice light blue, like a nice robin's egg blue, and it has different cupcakes on it along with little bows and swirls. And the sleeves are 3/4 length, so they don't go all the way down to the wrist, and it's not short sleeve, so and this shirt does close with the less snagging Velcro. The apron dress is mainly black with pink polka dots, Grace's signature pink heart design, a pink waistband, a black and white striped bow, and on the back there are two little pink bows that go across the back. And to get the outfit on, the straps do have Velcro in the back, so you just lift them up. And then the leggings are nice light pink leggings. They're kind of textured. So that's different from some of the other AG leggings that are more of a smooth material. And the shoes are cute, simple ballet flats. They match the color of the shirt, and they have cute little bows on them. And they have black soles, and they're just really cute, simple. And then last but not least is the pink headband. It's a stretchy ribbon headband, and it just ties in a knot with the ends, which create like a little bow effect, and that is cute. So you can have your doll wear the headband with the bow, or you can flip it around and if you don't want the bow showing, and have the bow underneath. And overall, this is a really cute outfit that will work for a lot of dolls. The polka dot design actually goes pretty well with the shirt, and it can pair with a lot of other items as well. You can also pair the shirt with jeans or shorts or a cute skirt if you want to. And I think my favorite parts are the shirt and the apron dress. At first I wasn't sure if I was going to buy this outfit, but then I thought that, ooh, it would look so cute on Mischa here. So I decided that I would buy it for her. And I love the little bow on the apron dress. It's so cute. And it's just such a cute little design outfit for any doll. So if you are thinking about getting this, then I say go for it, because it's a really nice design and it's really good. You get a lot of nice mix and match pieces in it. So this is Grace's baking outfit.